ganitong oras, mga 4:30. Ito, maaga na naman kami umalis kasi papunta kami ngayon sa Bolinao, Pangasinan. Pero dadaanan muna namin yung kapatid ko sa SM Rosales. Doon kayo magkikita, doon namin siya susunduin. Time check, it's 6:05. According to Google, it's 4 hours and 30 minutes kapag dito kami sa NLEX sa Tipilix dadaan. Pero since dadaanan namin siya sa SM Rosales, we will know kung ilang oras talaga yung biyahe namin. Kaya see you there!
I got this passion and it's burning deep inside of me, and this time no, not gonna settle for anything less. Craving a life that I've never known, and now is the time to find the love that I've always been looking for. I guess I'm just soul searching. No, not looking for no part-time thing. I guess I'm just soul searching. No, not looking for no part-time thing. I guess I'm soul searching. I'll take a little time out, and no, I won't apologize. Gonna find out what this is all about, then find my way back to you.
Ayan guys, may call of nature na ihi. So mag-i-stop over muna kami dito sa Petron. Mga ilang minuto lang naman na darating na kami doon kayo mag-i-exit sa Carmen. Dito tayo muna. Stop over muna tayo kasi kami ay nauuhaw ko, may ihi na ako. Kailangan natin mag-stretching din. Stretch yung mga katawan natin. Ang daming sasakyan guys, lalo na doon kanina sa Toll Plaza. Grabe ang pila. Buti na lang nakapagpa-load kami sa suite namin. Kaya hindi kami pumila sa cash. Kasi kung doon kami sa cash pumila, hindi pa kami nakalabas ngayon. Ang daming sasakyan. Tapos na kami mag-stop over guys. Ito, continue na naman kami sa aming biyahe. Bago ako makarating ng Carmen, it's 26 minutes pa ang pabiyahin natin. Baka andun na yung kapatid ko dun sa Rosales Transportation. May terminal. Nasa SM. Tapat siya ng SM.
Gonna do what the fuck I feel. I guess I'm just soul searching. I guess I'm soul searching.
Ito na guys. SM City. Capilla. Ayan, Rosales Transportation. Ay, ito na. Ito lang pinakapugi kong kapatid. Ito na guys, andito na kami. Siya yung sinundo namin. From here, dito na kami manggagaling papuntang Bolinao. So we'll see kung saan yung dadaan namin.
Bro, mas dool ko na bro. Magkuanta bro, San Carlos, Bayang-Bang. Muagi gapon to sa moa. At gapon. Muagi pero tatag agi ta dili na ta diri sa Kamiling, San Carlos na.
So guys, papunta na kaming Bolinao. 3 hours and 19 minutes. Exactly pa na? Good luck. Ginusto namin to eh. The vegetable bowl of Pangasinan. Baka yung bigas na bilyasis dito din galing.
Go outside and be kind to a stranger.
Here, updates. Nandito na kami sa City of Alaminos. Papunta na kami ng Bulinaw. 1 hour na lang. Bumili kami ng watermelon, guys. So, 25 ang kilo lang nito. Doon sa Pampanga, 40 ang kilo nito nun. Parang bumili ako.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that.
What is that?
Up all night, throwing drinks back.
Uy, mo. Gibay na din mo.
Smiling
Ito na.
person. Oh yeah. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring.
Pero itong malaki, magkano to? Ito.
It's you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. Now we're gonna wanna go back. Blurring all the lines, been going from. I don't know if we should get back. Been losing my mind, like being lost to you. Yeah, your blues, all my plans reversing. You know that it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm so.
Hello guys! We're here already! You see? This is the view. It's beachfront siya. Yung room namin ay beachfront. See the view? The beach. Yung pool nila nasa nandun lang. This Casa Casa.
Saying I can't ignore you. I'm not playing. Might mess up and fall for you. I'm nervous.
Hello guys! Ito na yung aming room. It's a double room. Double. Ibig sabihin ay nasa TV. Ibig sabihin ay double bed. Yan. Malalaki yung bed nila. Bed 1, bed 2. With aircon. Wala nga lang TV at Wi-Fi. So, it's purely relax and wine. Ganun. Yan lang gagawin. Tapos, may CR. And, look at the toilet. It's nice too. Huge. Huge yung toilet nila. May shower na. Ito yung kitchen nila. May sariling kitchen pang double room. Yung standard, walang kitchen. Nasa common kitchen ka. Bumili na kami. Meron na kaming food. Bumili kami ng fish. May utensils na rin na pwedeng gamitin. Itutur ko kayo sa aming resort na pinag-istihan. Tara! Ito guys, may ATM sila. Lapit sa beach, ang pasalubong center. Then, andyan na pala ang picture sila. Tapos may information. Up sa information is the barkada room. Then, family room. Next is common kitchen. Mamaya makikita niyo po. Tara! Parking area nila. Parking area, pero yan, barkada room ata sila. FYI pala guys, pag nagpabook kayo dito, meron silang free sa amenities nila. Like, free yung drinks, may welcome drinks sila na buko. Tapos may free breakfast, free yung parking, free car cage, no wifi nga lang, tsaka TV. As in, itong place na to is for relaxation and unwind. Tsaka free corkage siya, wala kang babayaran. Pwede kang magluto, free yung kitchen, free yung may common kitchen, tapos yung double room, mayroon din siyang sarili kitchen. Tapos dito guys, ano pala siya? Una, barkada room, tapos dito sa left is family room. Sa right po, barkada room. Sa left po is family room. Tapos next nun is standard. Tapos yun sa amin nasa beachfront. Yun yung double rooms. Yung common CR nila, tsaka common na kitchen. Diyan ka pwede magluto. Free din yan dyan. Tapos kung mag-iihaw ka, meron din sa likod. Ito pala yung pool nila guys. Wala din siyang entrance as long as mag-overnight ka dito. Meron kid pool, meron din siyang pang-adult. Tapos, ito yung mga free cottages nila. You can stay here. If nakakapag-early check-in kayo, you can stay here muna. Habang naghihintay sa kwarto nyo or sa room nyo. Tapos, dyan yung live band nila. 7 p.m. no? Yes, it will start at 7 p.m. Hands! Full of boat already. Pala guys, ito na yung beach nila. May white sand, tapos malawak yung beach nila. Tapos meron siya lang shaded part doon at by volleyball din. Guys, dito sa beach area, may place siya, may area siya na pwede kang mapapicture like the heart bamboo. Tapos parang may old old wooden craft siya na nakaganon na pwede kang umupo sa gitna. Tapos, pwede mapipicture doon. Tapos ito, dito, para siyang, ano bang tawag dito? Parang cozy, chill area, something like that. Tapos, doon may volleyball. Tapos, may shaded part din sila na, which is may nakalagay na I love Carolina. You can take a photo in there also. Hanap po pala ng white sand and affordable place to stay, vacation, ano-ano. May i-recommend namin to Casa Carolina dito sa Patar, Molinaw. Kasi white sand siya guys. Tapos yung accommodation is very nice and affordable. So yung barkada, gusto family, or just family lang na good for 3 or 4, you can have it also here kasi meron sila lahat. May barkada, may family room, may double room, may standard room. Affordable lahat yon. Hello guys, update. Ito po yung ambience pag ganitong oras, mga 4:30.
waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open. Don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far, wandered to a broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Wandered to a broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at
Nagluluto pala kami ngayon ng hapunan, guys. Isda, yung ulam namin. Yellow bean siya. Ito, fresh na fresh pa talaga siya kanina. Bumabaluktot pa yung buntot niya. Naka-display siya. Yung binili namin. Sobrang fresh niya pa talaga.
Bidagan ako ang dito guys sa tinuwa. Hindi mo lang tinuwa.
Oh, wala.
Alam ko yan na. Sa iPad ko yan.
Ay, bibi oh. Napod sila bibi oh. No?
Gusto niya
Every broken heart knows.
guys, update. Ito, tapos na kami mag-dinner. Nalilinisan ko na si Saiden. Malinis na rin kami. Tapos ito, nagpapahinga kami. Nasa room kami dalawa. Si Habi tsaka si yung kapatid ko nasa labas habang nanonood ng live band. Tapos yung itinerary pala namin bukas guys ay pupunta muna kami ng Casolares dahil may free viewing yung rock formation na ibinigay ang Casa Carolina. Yung Casolares parang sister resort din nila doon. Tapos after nun punta kami ng ng lighthouse dun sa dinaanan namin kanina na may mga souvenir shops din. Then after nun, diretso na kami sa Bulinaw Falls kasi dito lang din naman na kami, so susulitin na namin. Marami daw kasi, may 3 falls daw kasi, ewan ko lang kung ano yung mapupuntahan namin bukas. Gusto ni Habi na parang pumunta sa bayan ng Bulinaw. So we'll see tomorrow. Kaya pa ng oras namin kasi ang binahin namin in total guys, nasa 5 hours talaga, more than 5 hours. Kasi dumaan nga kami ng SM Rosales kanina. So yun, yung driver ko pagod yun. So titingnan namin bukas kung ano yung magiging, kung matutuloy kami dun sa Bulinaw at ano ang mga falls na madadaanan namin. Si Saiden pagod na rin kasi 3 hours tong naligo sa swimming pool. Talagang hindi siya umalis doon. Umiyak pa siya nung niyaya namin na magpunta ng dagat. Kasi kami, I prefer dagat talaga. Siya, gusto niya laging may swimming pool. Kaya, every time na pupunta kami ng resort, I see to it na may swimming pool kasi ayaw niya ng dagat. Ayaw niya ng dagat, gusto niya swimming pool. Tsaka natututo na rin siyang mag-swimming. Tapos, nasan yung shovel mo? Nasan yung shovel mo?
Nasa outside.
Binili-bili pa natin yung shovel mo, tapos hindi mo naman pala magamit. Kasi yun lang ang gusto niya sa dagat. Sa sand, maglaro lang ng sand, mag-shovel, or maggawa daw ng sandcastle. Kasi hindi niya nadala yung mga materials niya, so she has nothing to do. Kaya nag-swimming na lang talaga siya kanina. Eto, pumasok si Happy. Bukas, sa falls tayo. No, Casolares, Lighthouse, falls, tas baka pumunta kami sa bayan ng Bulinaw. Pero we'll try kasi nga malayo yung biyahe namin guys. It takes 5 hours in total kasi nga sinundo pa namin yung kapatid ko dun sa SM Rosales at bukas idadaan din namin siya dun sa Alcala. Yun, baka gabihin na kami makarating ng San Fernando bukas. Kaya, good night for now! Good night!